Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare white okra and stew. So guys can see all the item here, the recipe. So guys can see the okra already cut. The okra I've already grated, can see. And this is the meat stock that I will use. And this is the stew. Inside the stew I have meat inside. I have can see I have cow meat, have pomo, that is kanda, that I will use with okra to eat the food. So I have pepper here, I have crayfish, have seasoned mangi, have salt, and I have iru, that is locust bean. So let's start. Already put the pot on the fire. Now on the gas. Now on the gas and now pour the stock. When you put the stock, you add water. So I will cover it. I'll allow the stock to boil before adding all the item. So guys, let's add the item. I see the crayfish, the iru. Other tribe call it dawa. Other tribe call it locust bean. So I'll now add all the item inside here, inside the stock. Now add pepper. You know, some cook white okra, they didn't put anything. The only thing they will put is mangi seasoning. So it's a stew that you prepare. You add everything, pepper and your meat and everything inside. You will just cook only the okra white like that. You will not add anything. But in my own, I add crayfish, I add mangi, and I add this dawa, that is locust bean, and salt. So I'll cover it to boil before putting the okra, because my stew is set already, waiting for me to use it and eat. So let's check. It's time now to put the okra. It's a sharp soup. A very simple soup. And see, I'll now pour the okra. And you allow the okra to down now before bringing it down. See, I'll now cover it and leave it to boil. So guys, let's check. Wow, can see how it draw. You know, some add okra, that is potash. Some add to make it draw. If you are making the okra, if it didn't draw, you can add potash, that is okra, to make the okra draw well. But this one draw, so no need of putting that okra, that is potash. No need again. Can see how it draw. So if you are preparing it, this one, if you are preparing it, no need of putting a leaf or oil, anything. It's white okra. Use it with stew, and your stew should be well cooked, well done with meat and everything. So I'll leave it small to let the okra done very well. So can see it's done. Now off the light. The only thing you do, you make your swallow and eat it. Can use semo, can use pandidiyat, can use amala. The only fufu that the thing go with, if you are eating it, you enjoying it, is amala. If you get amala, you can use it and eat it with it. You enjoying it very well. I don't have amala, I make semo because na semo I want to eat it with it. Because e don tey, it has been long that this white okra and stew be hungry me. Today I say let me use it, let me make it so that I will sit, balance and eat the food. Let me show you. So this is the okra and this is my semo. You put it by the side. Put the soup by the side like this. You now fetch your stew and add like this. Fetch your stew with meat and add like this. You can chop many as meat you want. Can see? Chop many as meat you want. Can use chicken, you can use goat meat, can use any type of meat you want and cook it and eat it. So this is how you serve it. Then when you serve it like this, you now wash your hand very well and balance and eat. Keep washing. Wow, can see how it be. So I want to wash my hand and balance and eat my food and enjoying it. So it's not hard, it's very simple to prepare. Just white okra and stew. My hand, I don't want to use knife or this. You cut this your semo and see the stew and the white okra. You now mix it like this. This is how you eat it. And see. Very, very yummy. Wow. I've been missing all this wine. Where I didn't cook this white okra and stew. See my meat. So that is all for white okra and stew. So guys can try it in your home and see how delicious it is. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.